You see outside, this looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. See? So 5 minutes to go, so Rizdan. I will end my live stream. Thank you so much, Rizdan, for coming. It's too windy outside. Yes, it's France V. Yan, 5 minutes na lang mag-end na tayo, guys. Sir Wisdom. It's too windy outside. The view is nice. Humihina ng signal mo, Sisi. Humihina ba? Umiikot? Sige, okay lang, Sisi, kasi 5 minutes na lang mag-end na din ako, 5 minutes. 5 minutes to go, Sir Wisdom. I will end my live stream, Sir Wisdom. It's nice view, a little blurry. Thank you so much, 71 cowboys for coming. So 4 minutes to go, guys. I will end my live stream. Mag-isang oras lang ako, guys. I find me another Filipina. I'll find me another Filipina. Yeah, sure. You can find another Filipina. This time I'm gonna keep her. Up to you, Sir Wisdom. Who is that girl? Who is that lucky girl? She's very lucky girl. My friend Sanjay Rawa, thank you so much. Look at outside, it looks beautiful. So 4 minutes to go, guys. Make sure find me the right Filipina. Yeah, sure. You can find the best one. Why you're laughing, Sir Wisdom? Who is that lucky girl? Or you can find a new Filipina, you still not find. Maybe you find a better one lah, Sir Wisdom. You find a better one. Make sure that she's your future wife, Sir Wisdom. She will be your future wife, Sir Wisdom. It's nice to be outside, Sir Wisdom. You see the building? Looks beautiful. You want to see the other side? This one is the other side. Melina, yes, Sir Wisdom. Oh, you find the best one. Who is that lucky girl, Sir Wisdom? So 3 minutes to go, we'll end my live stream. Sistine, health and beauty tips. Thank you so much, Sistine. O, diba, Sistine? Ang ganda ng thumbnail ko, Sistine. Sistine, thank you so much. Ayan, ito yung other side naman. Yan, 2 minutes to go, guys, ha. Mag-end na tayo. Yan, my friend Sanjay, thank you so much, my friend Sanjay. Sisi France, sign. Wala na yung yung mga fans ko. Silip-silip lang sila. Yan, shouties for people million in the house. Sir Wisdom, Mercy, there's Sir Wisdom. This is the other side. You cannot see there because that is mountain, so it's too dark. Maybe in the daytime you can see if I take a live stream in the morning. What happened? Why there's a 10 people, a million in the